let's begin with another main topic, which is evaluation of the program. So once a program is in place, once a curriculum has been designed, the question arises how we can analyze its success on the basis, what are the conditions or parameters on the basis of which we can say, well, the program is running well or meeting its set objectives. These are the questions which we will look at in further detail in this main topic, program evaluation, and what approaches and opportunities are there for us to use in order to better understand the effectiveness of a language program. So let's first begin with a general understanding of what's an evaluation. Before critically analyzing what's an evaluation, I would just like to problematize, just to set the context for this particular topic. So the discussion for this topic, there is a background, and as you know, throughout this course, our main emphasis has been analyzing some of the practices taking place in the domain of a language course design. And we've been looking at how context could be defined and how the goals of a course or its objectives can be set, and what are different types of syllabuses out there which we can use. So, and how we can structure and the components of language curriculum design, for example, needs analysis, setting up goals, quality teaching provision. So these and evaluation, these actually are interlinked, and they form the framework of language curriculum design. So the question which I put it in the beginning, what's the parameters which we can use to say, well, the course is running well, and if the course is taking place effectively. So in order to understand these questions, is curriculum achieving its goals? What's the satisfaction level of various stakeholders, for example, students, teachers, and administration, or some external bodies? So what is an evaluation? Actually, evaluation it's a broad term. It refers to different aspects of language curriculum design. It entails a thorough look at some of the key components of curriculum design. For example, through evaluation, we can better understand whether the course is being implemented appropriately, and whether we've got quality teaching environment and resources. So these are some of the salient characteristics which fall under the main domain of evaluation. So evaluation, as I said before, is primarily concerned with the analysis of how actually the course is taking place, and whether it's meeting the needs of the students for which this has been designed, and what about the training levels of the teachers. Are they well trained enough, or there are some newly qualified teachers who might need some further training? Well, the evaluation, as you could infer from this brief discussion, is this actually looks at the high standard of teaching, which means to what extent teachers are prepared to fulfill the aims or objectives of a specific program. And is it sufficient, adequate enough to prepare the learners to pass their exams? For example, the learners who are going to appear in the IELTS exam. So are teachers providing quality teaching and preparing them, right? And what about the satisfaction and cost? Is it, it it should satisfy the all stakeholders involved, and it should be not too much expensive. I mean, costing too much resources to the administration, teachers, and students. So, in brief, evaluation refers to the analysis or in-depth analysis of different components of language curriculum design and deriving some findings about the effectiveness of a language curriculum program.